Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's make chicken samosa today. All the ingredients and the recipe is mentioned in the description box below. Let's make the chicken filling. For that, heat a pan and add 1 tablespoon of oil in it. Once the oil is hot, add in 3 medium-sized onions which have been finely chopped. Fry the onion on medium flame for about a minute. If you are a vegetarian and would like to make this recipe, just substitute the chicken with some washed poha. As I'm cooking this onion for a minute, I'll be stirring it in between. Don't caramelize the onion completely till dark brown. We just want it to be a bit soft. Now, after a minute, I'll be adding 2 green chillies which are finely chopped and a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. You can also increase and add 1 more extra chilli if you require more spicy. Now I'll fry the ginger and the chillies too along with the onion until the rawness of the ginger is gone. After a minute, the ginger is nicely cooked and now we'll be adding the chicken mince into it. To this I'll be adding 1/4 kg chicken mince, 1/4 teaspoon haldi powder, 1 teaspoon coriander or dhania powder, 1/2 teaspoon garam masala powder and 1/2 teaspoon jeera powder and salt according to your taste. Mix it well and fry all the ingredients for about a minute. Keep stirring the chicken in between, and now I'll be covering it with a lid and let it cook for about 7 minutes till the chicken is nicely cooked. Cook the chicken on low to medium heat and keep checking in between, and do keep stirring so that it does not get burned. It's been 7 minutes now that the chicken has been cooking. It is still nice and moist but well cooked. Now to this I'll be adding a handful of finely chopped coriander leaves. Also adding 2 to 3 leaves of Pudina or mint leaves. Now stir this well and let it all combine and just stir for about a minute. And now I'll be adding 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Mix this as well, and this will give a nice tangy taste to the samosas. And now I'll be switching off the flame and let this cool and come down to room temperature. You can use this filling for potato chops as well. Now let this cool completely. To make the samosas, I'll be using the Swiss brand samosa strips. These are available in leading stores and online too. To seal the samosa, I'm taking 1 tablespoon of maida or all-purpose flour and adding a little water to it and making a slurry out of it. Just a thick paste and not too runny. I have removed the samosa strips from the freezer around 40 to 50 minutes before, so now they are at room temperature and they peel off easily. So now let's start with the samosas. These strips are very large, so I'll be cutting around 1 inch from one corner, and you can use this and fry them later. And now fold one end and bring it top as shown, and then again fold it and let it come in line with the side strip, and now pick it up and put the filling into it. Into this pocket add the filling, but do not overfill it. Now close the ends, pressing gently, and now turn in line with that side of the samosa and bring it this way. And now to this part we'll be adding the maida slurry and sealing the samosa well. Add the maida paste on all open edges and even the corners, so that the filling does not come out while it's being fried. So this way, now the samosa is ready to be fried. And now let's do once more. Hope you are able to see how to make a perfect samosa. And now it's ready to fry them. Heat sufficient oil in a frying pan, and to test whether the oil is hot enough, I've added that strip and it's good enough. Now I'll be adding the samosas and frying them till light golden brown. Heat the oil sufficiently hot and then fry the samosas on medium flame. The samosas will continue frying till it gets a nice golden brown. This will take around 4 to 5 minutes, and keep flipping them in between. Remember not to overcrowd the pan by adding too many at one time. The samosas are looking well cooked and it has got the light golden color. Take it off and place it over a kitchen napkin so the excess oil gets drained off. Continue cooking all of the samosas in the same way. Only remember the oil should be on medium and not too hot or not too cold. You see those bubbles? It means that the oil is enough. Continue cooking on medium flame till golden brown. And there, our chicken samosas are all ready. And they not only look good but also taste very good. try out the samosa recipe and let me know in the comments how you like them. And if you're new to my channel, do subscribe for more interesting videos like this in future. Till we meet again in the next video, take care. Bye-bye.